Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of bolt up. You will click on settings. Here you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will search about bolt up and you will enter. Here we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. If it's not working with you, then you will update your app on Play Store. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching and your attention.